saying na Kumasi for eka adepa bibi aboko de yes ehin fa na wo na eni Kumasi adehye nkasa na ombekọ park e de na omo eka maminti o
Maso Kumasi Santase baby akasa kese no esisi na chasa wota Star Junction na oba the sane akọ Santase run about eho e na meso
FM.
okay ete mayenya omo no enkomodi exactly e de no mo ka de no mo ni mefa match no ho ombekọ park obi ato ticket maminti o
okay me yabema me mo akọ abado ba Akoma 87.9 FM so apom to say
oh me ba chobo ko
ni so say
e me akosu
we de ya ye die mu nyame adoma enu me wugina me
migrim
okay enti o support wa Ghana na Nigeria
se wo de Ghana me amedia
now your scores no so be
scores no be you va se 2-1
hey as one in
Ghana be se 2
okay
o match 1
what was taking
enjoy
and I also take it in real
never better
we are me yabema wo susu no akwa
ya me de
apom
na me adumo
now enu me wugina
and me dem jemu pa
some ya me show ho so ya na se wa ye de no
so I me ya me Ghana de o ko azam dile china ne
what I say what to take it
you take it to Costa Room but me from me I need to man
and then wa de enu me ya course na be thing
oh you from that was course in the better one can be so much 3-1 first half 2 minutes you can never back account
okay and me wugina
me jam papa
what to take it
my apply by me na you
you got on him
no na madika no point na you ni na mai
oh yeah you later na any response mo share thing
so so the arrest be sundo be sundo Ghana be set Ghana be set you be obi bia wo bia o make yourself na numero here so so the na me so my more support mo bia na fie eso we na Ghana force so me hu pe bia na ye
comfortable
you na numero Ghana all the way
so we say asu eno ne e papa no bia omo Santa run about omo and the sunny of course me be sia for enanimre e wo baba ya sports stadium esi esu jalo
okay adepa mame na wase ente omo obi ama ne prediction omo say ye be say
obisi e be 3-1 obisi e be 2-1 say dia obi a say no e na waka obisi e be 3 obisi Ghana susu be 2
adepa be dey wase JB I need to settle this. I tell for come back to Facebook page. Now later at the end you very deep.
Like yenya video mo anga Nigeria for na year ya omo lande e Kumasi airport. Nti say work at the video no to see here.
Where the Nigeria for na nkasa
omo anga sa omo get na here. Omo be lande o Kumasi no.
Oh okay. From the
okay. But on say nti eni ho. No. Usi ya em say omo ko fa chire. Omo fa so maybe omo fa no.
Na but ade we nye we no musi esi fast no.
Yes,
but baby omo fa nti na make say baby omo fa staircase ni ho nti na omo de we si omo no. Baby a omo si fa I think baby on the first video na ye omo si ba no. Omo fa pilot ni side ho.
Nti no ya baby e de niema no egu ana because that staircase ni omo de baby e twe niema na egu so.
So what
niema no. Cargo baby e de niema no egu no.
So what ba ko na yeah, activity ko twa na.
Okay.
You see the difference in it. Work at for the activity and get a chair no.
Okay.
So o share no.
Okay.
You can see the difference.
Right.
Nti minim baby omo konya say video no free na omo den na maka say Nigeria for smart. Uno omo di agro na say one smart ya. They will beat you.
Ma men kwa homa so na ye ne one of our legends, our football legends in Nkombo na ye nya understanding and dear na moment like this omo nyina so kai high Akoma 87.9 FM within the Aduanaba Kofi Asantenin Samuel Opoku Nti, a former Black Star player senior no pay ya mo ache mo akwa ba de ba Akoma FM
ya ni afanyi
Kofi Asantenin sabusuafo nyina ho ye
Kofi oba de adama obi aho ye so e
adom Yesi edu amanfo so ane akai ya anom. Anope say at Opoku Nti's time. Dear na ekoso o madwemu years ago when you were.
You me da se metia watiefo nyina. Ghana and Nigeria match there local even though international local day. But these are the matches players it mean making name out of it. And that name not to be sticky forever. If you say never framing all because of football, Ghana and Nigeria and available. So I think individual player no. See pick you Kobo, especially time and now I can't tell for the boys, but time no, before we wear the national colors no. Now I want him say Sakona Okokono or say be free mobile. Ube cool, I'm making sure say victory, yeah, dear. And you know, a couldn't be on more, you couldn't, but a couldn't be on more, anymore. A living mark till that kingdom come. And you know, I believe that players, you know, as it is now, we are aware what has happened previous matches are here, but Afcon here, I think that the players, redeem their image and the match here,
the Lord of the Green tough, me boy. Say, it didn't back one at the front, no, for your scoring and of course ability to handle the ball, no, no. But Ghana phobia say, oh, mame, Zebia, ball Ghana Nigeria match there at your time. Oh, I see. Now, Kaya, you feel like you made it. You made it.
There was a match born in Liberia at I think Zone 3 tournament.
Okay.
Now it was semi-finals against Nigeria. Oh, Liberia. And that game, I'm captain team in the Korea.
Wow.
And Nigeria, I'm so papa. That's the Miami team who sent me ball.
Wow.
Yes, so almost 2-0. I'm open the first goal. And you know, against Nigeria, my Bobby, Passport Stadium, my Bobby or Nigeria, Lagos or Ankasa. And you know, a match, which media, I'm a person to be making name for myself. Very, very, very important. And Kotokone, sorry. National team, the Blasters and in Nigeria, Ravas, media, it will not end. Generation after generation, it will go on. Then also, you lose to them, our Boake 2-1. Then I'm share goal, I'm share one for Ghana. No, me equalize. I'm gonna share first. Me equalize. Then I'm injury and I'm free. And in Nigeria, my body is a lot.
I see. Now, Yamra and the matches, so the dynamics, the mind game, the play. At the time, I Ghana and the GA war team Nimunina a free move because the more time no winning. Dear na ye bet me ya wow can say you redeem your home. Less than 5 hours to the game. What can we do different?
I think it will all start with the players, you know, motivation. They have to motivate themselves. And the past years, national team has become unpopular due to one or two reasons. I don't want to go there, but this is the time also to redeem image. Very, very, very important, and Enokura should motivate them. So the be motivated Omukura, we should motivate them because it's very, very, very important for Ghanaians as it is now, as a nation. And what the past now can be corrected now. One thing about football is the big touching a few years, and now a match we are. the following week, wait me a redeem image because current and Kwana supporters, the Kasa. So I believe the players, Ankasa, are aware to redeem their image, especially concerning this game against Nigeria. I saw a game, a dear World Cup. I believe that if players, it's mission Nigeria, Ghanaians will forget and forgive whatever the past, whatever has happened.
Akoma FM.
For Hi Akoma 87.9 FM, the legend Samuel Opoku Nti, a former Black Star player, and of course Kumasi Asante Kotoko, one of the leading players ever my Ghana muma. Yenya full appreciation ever ne matching. Sesia mena wo kasei ubisa Ghana for they just running the ana euphoria no akosro ama enijie yaba for reasons best known to Ghanaians. Supporters, DNA subit my the Aboa players.
I believe there's so Ubanya Ubano, and
Akoma FM.
what has happened, we should not dwell on it. One with the children.
Yeah,
we should move forward. We should forget and move forward as a nation. Well, you can't do away with football. Football is number one sport in one nation. Will be anything. If Ghana football also, whether the league or Toko has national team, who cares about politics? Someone notice here.
So, yeah. You do football, be a refi.
Exactly. So much here, boy. The whole nation, I said here. The current government, the past, Obia said yes, they're rally behind the team. Now, you have the joy about the faces of the people. We are seeing here all over the world. Ibia and Cote d'Ivoire circle, but I tell you, football can bring joy to people's faces. Whether a common or a common, football can make the difference. So I believe I was saying, you forget about the past. Now you be a full support Emma boys. We cheer them on. You're in numbers. Therefore, sometimes you know we are a book at change. You can also change our attitude. So you be a person, even your local clubs, club ball to say Europe for no. But your supporters now you also sit down and say, send you almost support to this. I know just support you. So in one way, I say, you have to bring ourselves support and any way that we are support to see you need to over superior over Nigeria. Very important.
Yes, because
but currently I have a match you need it because you have a
yeah.
Until you need this to make a difference now. You come we are for
Mumubi enya opportunity ne mrantie di nkomo.
David.
That is the players na sem na making you.
David.
Is it the case one na bia mo mpe na say opportunity ne nya mae?
Opportunity ne nya mae. Wo dey head na wo sorry say wo koni obi akodi nkomo. It should be introduced by the people no who govern the national team. No. If they want us, they can call us and make the arrangement. What do you mean? Sorry, I saw a national team camp and it will be Kokasa. No. There must be protocol. This idea, neighbor.
As we speak, yes, from technical coach, some cry near Peway and the way back. When you need say none you some wajan comment or no just the people are we are the right players yemfa omo you mu be ensheda nye football fanatics and kasa but mo amudi mo ni di akire no what are we not doing right with the Ghana Blasters?
You see a long this one there we have maybe one day we can discuss all these things. We need to sit down and plan. One with the children. done such a call. And whereby during your time, no, now you need foreign players are mobile around all the time. This time, no, a foreign players on going. Media, they may make me, I can say, before I be invite you, be to come, no, I'll say, see to is on the top pick, I want the foreign team now, all born. Very, very important. Because, example is, players and how many days no more assemble around now omobo matches. Obi okro si free play mo kra no okobo match. It happen now. What would you make it no? And you know, sir, your person your team is strong with there. Say monitor your players meaning those who are doing well. I will more current clubs no more one. Because so football there. So if you because of you are brochure or a better to be all a.
Yeah.
But football is not about that, it's about the fitness. It's about match fitness also counting.
Yeah.
Never be go into it. One with the material.
Sure.
And about national team what me for young player all of a sudden no what's pushing into that standard needs to look different.
Okay.
So omuko graduate and all of a sudden no for young players on Kobobo. And at the highest levels are wrong with the material. And you know, the way idea you manage your local national team and that 20 near in all these areas also it me sure. Anya sadia na yedi a philosophy I say omunyina throughout. Say the fun national team coach and ya no kwa ni the national team no kwa. I will say otimi make sure say with a time to come no the players are omobe fitting into the team no. With time because we are there be fade away age ebe me dinimo akọ out. But how you feed them no from behind and then very, 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 very important. I guess there. Anytime you see new faces throughout. But football no, apart from that, the chemistry. I was saying the players intimidate. I was so
As
we ban a channel, we ban a channel, we ban sometimes inconsistency.
Okay. As a the a collective team you use omo consistently until there be an new faces until me we cry minimum we minimum the background na so we hwan until sane man so na high wo cream right
sane man no high because as individual no uhwe mo your place nya will come from outside that trend na beto Nigeria sa na beto ubenya local mom Abia 1 or 2 the whole Africa sana beto. But the truth is you should be able to have a plan whereby even your local you be a bit in Yakobo into Yakobo abroad and say no, it shouldn't be like that. It should be say your local no so year to a sense at any given time no a bit in to the national team. Through that maybe omo gaining experience. A time comes now, Obonze or no, actually fit into the team. Very important.
How many goals now shed the Ghana Black Stars at the time and now match?
If my memory to serve me right, I think it's 25 goals.
25 goals.
Yeah.
Come on, that is big. Wow.
Including friendly international matches.
Yeah. That is serious. I see. And me I was say the last set of players Samoje African Cup Cup of Nations Cup Edema Ghana, right?
Yeah, 1982. Oh, Libya.
1982. And since then, Yajibim. I'm on the lack in the corner. Almost 40 years now.
Good question.
As I'm on the lack in the call. Opoku Nti, 40 years. That is coming a year. Matter we are in 40 years now.
40 years.
40
now.
years now. Yenya biem.
That's why the only God knows. Sometimes you wonder why 40 years drags you. You wonder. But I think we need to.
Liberia, you're born and I say, Liberia, right? Libya. Wow. And the time anam woman, Nesika kra, and Nesika ye 80,000, 6,000 US dollars, 200,000. Yeah, that na and shed ni but match nim to say ye ni or more in your skate. What was your motivation? And nay, ye nya motivation ni be ewo yamran team.
You see, love for everything you do, is very, very paramount. The first thing, whatever you do, have love for it. Because who will love for everything, who go extra mile to make things happen. I believe that if you have love for game now, unborn, and for the nation, you sacrifice a lot to make things happen. And after that, the money will follow. So it can't be due anymore. I believe it can't be due anymore. As a love for the game, will turn to love for money. And Yama also we have to sustain yourself, we don't say, yes, I didn't because Kaba. You see, money rules. It rules papa. Money is a spirit and it rules. Then I say, the time of Sunny and Tia can call 28, 29. Won't feel it comfortable, Papa.
Oh, yeah, we are right.
But Scalamabo account maybe do some more.
Motivation be a different.
Motivate you. Ukasa cry is different. But the truth of the matter is, and be the love of the trainer who you're in. Very, very, very important.
Wow.
Love for football and the motivity and the love for the nation and the poor. Look, now a year across the national team colors, Now Ukobo near national anthem. How many people and Umoko baby about national anthem? And no cry pride.
And Opoku Nti, and then Azia, what have you been doing all this while?
Key Academy, the friend Carrot Football Academy. You're training Kuala, and now for 3 years, and my own results were bad because the players became they are doing well. And then they are.
My colleague Ewaha JB, I want to believe say na unim no kotoko or no so person bembisa question. Yeah.
Lord, I'm watching the Akoma 87.9.
Yeah.
Me kai pass Odemiko Libya 2017. Almost stadium now far about 80,000 capacity. You were celebrated like a king. Ewa honomo. Na all in the name of Ghana Nti. Now as at now, the pride are a woman and the current state. Black Stars players no ahofamane the way musi ebo mobono. Is there any lessons to be learnt from Momo time up to this time around?
I think players, whatever now, they have the opportunity to play outside. Profession, career is going well for them compared to your time, whereby some of my playmates, because of the money that was not in football that time, at the cities, they a good opportunity. And more, they have the money now. They can even invest if they invest their money well. It can carry them through because you see, football time frame. And just but football, what ball said the highest level maybe at 20 years. Now 20 years, what you make it in football, no, also it means invest and the best sustain you after the football, no. Then I mean, I'm also within 90 years. Now, after maybe young fun is 40, okay, 38 years, 40 years now, we are above. Not the next 40 years, you know, which is the second half of your football career, football, no, which life a career, no. What are you doing? Then a time when you scanner, then now this scanner, very, very important. And Korea more is here, currently, your more bonus, nothing, your more for them, be a ball, professional, if they don't manage their resources well now, a time will come, they will become better.
87.9.
But my content,
okay.
But the thing is,
Akoma FM.
Football and American, the love, no, yeah. Love, no, it supersede the because the love for it, you know, at any given point, you know, you train very hard. Much you excel yourself. Yeah, time, you know, not good name and a and Bible can write, so good name is better than riches. So what you mean make a good name for yourself, even through football, yeah. A bit near career to say they never make a say, so no be an Opoku and the good name.
Yeah.
And
Akoma FM.
ne papa can say me to me son or say, Kwasi Ubeso Bobo me say, Ubeso Bobo me say, and it's your born bu ye pa. And I'm besides that, no say, look, and Mary Ninkaso. The Obey or Bo Muno, that's any at the back cow. So, yeah, time the air bobo in the motivation is to make a name. Now, sometimes we try and make I then football, so say, we making name, even to the whole world. It's like this boy cannot see it. What would they make them?
Akoma FM.
And you know, the media, the mechanic, the boys should know, sir, football, no, and I make with them. Football, I do my cover. The football, now, is Kaaba. Football. It didn't sacrifice here at the football, not to be our money, but in they should not think about the money alone. They should think about making name for themselves. Very, very, very important. It's very, very, very important.
Yeah, now you 1992 Ghana and Nigeria. Sana won't be.
Akoma FM.
I'm a bench, my movie.
Oh, okay. What happened?
Well, it's the decision of the coaches.
Wow. I want to know I'm a captain that time.
No, I bet you.
Oh, okay. I bet the Pele. Therefore, this is it. Okay. I bet the Pele. Therefore, this is the match. Ghana versus Nigeria 1992. Now, Senegal 92.
Yes,
Good.
92.
Now, you should have friction and so I warm match. Yes, you do tour. Yes, say Ayaka. Yes, say Kabum. That time, no, how tense was that situation? Our colleagues nimu. Ayaka sa minuin kasa camp sa niamano.
That one there, I think, I don't know, but it's all has to do with the big people, the technical and the management. No, as for football there, even training club, even could you be now so the Google phone in a manner, no there, but a basse you will fold no so. It shouldn't be selfish, individual selfish ambition. It should be the corrective say. Because football, no, a teamwork. And teamwork, you know. So each one for himself at a particular position, be a they were told or tactical discipline also go through. You don't expect Chinchilla number 5 football no akwakusheku. Obian him say he has to defend his post. And yet like you say number 9 between a baby ball a free pool and see. Maybe the NSA number 9 the NSA also to me extra good and my team. goalkeeper also prevented ball from going to the net. An individual will be playing a role well at the compartment, no one. Then a teamwork, a cricket. Then the official goal, no. That's why from football, no, you need scorer goal, you will winning bonus. The scanner by maybe the mechanic said, let the past, the sleeping dog sleep. Let's concentrate what is coming now. Now you see to and Yama ACCC in a being CBM. Now you come together as one. You fight for common goal because football is everything to Ghana.
Football, of course, everything to Ghana. For you're one of the football legends. My Ghana mo. Yeni Ankasa, ye senior Samuel Opoku Nti, the Lord of the Green Turf, and no Edin Combo. JB, Bremna, any other question? Namintio.
Me the person who from Lord say and then match no predictions to say because Ghana Nigeria matches they are now a tense kakra after 46 head to head 46 matches on Maboni now. And is it likely say Ghana best entry for Nigeria for Swana?
Say chief also there. Then some meeting because even squad yeah did koi.
Yeah.
You are privy to it say my home even friendly match.
Okay.
They are more friendly match about Kokura.
Dabi.
And new coach about with new technical bench and new players call. And me idea me when say a be high and kakra individual. Because you see a boy as a team, but Omo Ankasano cohesion, no, say how we can make. They have to use their experience, wherever they come from, no. Because Omo buy how many days no more training, and
yeah, I think 3 days. And yet training you been put.
Exactly. And that 3 days, they do expect, say, Abia, party, Abihu, Trey, Omukwado, Mabo, Kaka, you know, never say new Ferigana Abase, Ombu movement, come or expected personal. All these things, you know, I'll see in Yabo today. Abia, the first 15 minutes in 40 passes better because Ubehu said, when you pass ball or person demand way and then you can move to the and all these things you be facing a kakra. Me who dear but me can say as a footballer no me hear near possibility and maybe in your SCC because of new players. The only thing na coach in the bit in your INSA or the movement that you win a ball now, win a move, win a receive, and no dear. So we understand there. Ube was Ubenya Omo to work together well. But I know idea about individual rules. Individuals may make a difference in my Sana me huno. And as it is, you know, we need to win. To secure our ticket to the World Cup, we need to win.
We need to win. We need to win by all means. Just say, yeah, we need. Yeah, now we are out of the World Cup. You know.
Yeah, remember, say you don't call second league for Nigeria.
Yeah. And I went to me and we knew how Nyadia o kwa kaza me ko Nigeria ko wini.
So and that's why make us and come together. So let's forget our differences. You from Pibon 30 minutes. Because me football, no one thing I mean who say the spirit of football and unity. Very, very, very important. And we another topic. I can give you so many examples. But another topic. So according to the players I boo food. You can't escape but I need money and you found to engineer match we. Then you have fair support and the Omachi. You have match we. So many things. Sometimes we'll be so betting I can send debris about how past players has been treated. We'll be so betting I can. So also no I treating it bad no or can last let me know be dim come say and I'm saying say when you have born national team at this point and I'll be supporters or Koji scan as on support. And so a bit more boy promises by and
Akoma FM.
One with your material. And in the sign if I know no best support to player honestly me you know when say player and demanding more than you have promised him the minimum. So what's in the winning bonus? 10,000. 10,000. Oh, the man one can say that my shepherd and my 20,000. No. Meaning, the arrangements are the nation and the call echo. Now, all promise players well. You need to make sure say that promise you fulfill, and at the right time, very, very, very important. You can promise, say we discover more be. No one farmer at the right time, and it's a bit near a backfire, and so on. So all these things, you pray together. Me and complain to the say against the players and on. But you try to say, yeah, kasa, you say okay. If not there be no players in the right, so there be so many right. Because I also believe do before complain. And you know. Dear calling the man uncle, they making sure say you qualify for the World Cup this time, and the players will be forgiven. You forget and you move on. But a bit near Basa, this year started near the support a true behind the team. Man, yes, Mushevi and Sana, Jomatum. So Bunny go and answer. I see in junk here, Papa.
Yeah.
Don't forget. If you come together as one, I tell you, and fighting for common goal, you can make it. Nyame will back us.
Lord, you free Afcon mobile and chair, you who the performance of the Black Stars and in Nigeria for at a point of group stages or win your matches now. Now, minim say, yeah, dear no Afcon is a nay lacko, said Daniel. Sa performance no, is it likely say a bit to me, I reflect it when the game ni one, I say, be bit to me as a son. And now the dynamics are different when it comes to Ghana-Nigeria matches.
Yeah. Until American say, the support against Ghana, because Ghana of late, Afcon could be a Ghanaian scholar to make radio, so individual will be free no national team, one with their material. I know I didn't anymore, I didn't and I said, Dimoko. Life and death is in the power of the tongue. One with the material. So instead of speaking positive things, because of a year until and a curse without the cause will not come to pass. The year woman or Kadia it can come to pass. And all these things affect the team. The spiritual aspect I am comforted do money who is the unity.
Okay.
If the nation fight against each other, kingdom fight against each other, will never stand.
Okay.
Bible can very clear. One with the material. Now, I'm not back to Nigeria, Ghana match.
Akoma FM.
You mean when you say the players current from Bobo Machi, they want to redeem their image in the face of the Ghanaians. So they will kill themselves. And no problem motivate you.
Okay.
And Ghana and Nigeria, no, to say the Okan, no form no important too. So form change, but how individual are motivated, not because of money. I promise you, woman. What would you make sense? Because you see, football, who pack so you don't need to think anything there. So concentrate here 100% on the game at any given time. Where the ball is moving, where you have to stand. All these things, who are parking so and it's a big border you. So a state of a second, you will miss it. You will miss it. Okay, normal example. How can you say, Mekobobo? Now Mekobobo no. Now discover me. Now, scan me from to me hotel, and I say, me from Park. So,
Akoma FM.
And money is spirit. Just a until cry.
You know, scam me gen hotel. I know be a Korea. Scam me the court dressing room. Now, what park in the thing and what you know also? But Obonsan is so very intelligent and cunning. Who go who say what do you pray? But who bought park and so I know what you need to Koto Sikaso. No, you shouldn't be like that. Then I make us say it's not to say digest here, there no. Obia, you be who said, for to know, it be free. But
okay.
I came. Women concentrate what is coming today. Now for support and type boys in it.
Okay.
Now we will see the difference.
Or predictions.
You're good at it. They say, we are prophets, they breed, they know what the football.
Prophet Opoku Nti also count there. I mean, also predictions.
Me, I believe the static game, the first 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Any matter, that's what I wait.
Okay.
That's why the matter say the game will beat you. Like Kotokoya match, I can say no, it is a fight. The first thing a ball is commission on Kotokoya beat you 5, and it came to pass.
I see.
Lord, o share one kasa who coach o employee no that is a Didi Dramani. GD ana wo wonimu as at that time. See we go to that level where we betumi amebenya Black Stars job any other coaching technical team no. What should they do this time around to be say to me ama born no IFA na nkunibie tumi aba ama Black Stars for?
I think say let me come our baby say a good say omo extra local coaches maybe Emma Otoado because only terrain mu yie pa Africa. Ubeze kura no omo Europe no omo ba na ba Afcon to be e dum papa. And people like Didi no on backroom staff no omo na oso omo bua coach ni pa. And it's a game no start here. Coach no na ni wo omo ani players so individual do mo ye mistakes so mo ye. One of the team no pa na concentrate on. The opponent no yeah, there must be assistant or reading opponents for the coach. Very, 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 very important. Because pressure will coach in the son. Want to mean shape two sides meaning at a particular time. So we Europe, crowd say, there are no assistant coach need to no church. No, then no coach in no, I can't say look, this. They have to work together like this. And then a bit in Abua Utopa.
Okay.
And I believe that Didi is good in reading games.
Okay. Senior, and I pay, we are more than grateful. So, Beko Park.
You may add them.
That's it. You match and I be doing command here who say, you expect it, and I be more. And I pay, I mean, for a quenya with the Amaya.
I'm missing some.
That's it.
Dr. Joseph Sell,
Portable. Yes, of course. JB, it's very, 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 very interesting.
Yes,
this ahead.
Easy.
Call your Facebook page and call live to Babaya Sports Stadium. Live to Babaya Sports Stadium. But just 1 minute, you in front.
Yes, more messages about.
Try make a crowd now. You call messages.